Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to Cognizant and Flipkart new hiring. Referral opportunities are also there and new latest hiring from Cognizant. Walmart is also hiring for 26 batch. So apply for opportunity, like and share the video, subscribe to our channel. We are sharing the genuine hiring opportunities. We are not selling any of the courses. We are here to share the latest hiring opportunities with the free placement preparation. Cognizant announced the openings for non-invoice process data entry Chennai. It is posted 4 days ago. Directly you can fill out this form. Basically it's a non-tech opportunity data entry. If you are from non-tech courses, you are interested for this, you can apply. Are you freshers experience interested in voice, non-voice, father's occupation, mother's occupation, interested in government exams, current location, are you available for face-to-face interview? Like this you have to submit the form. Next opportunity is basically from Runable HQ. They are hiring for growth intern. 50 to 70,000, 75,000 is the stipend. Start date is immediate. Okay. So they clearly mention here salary is 40 to 60k up to Bangalore in person only. Experience excited about content creation and influencer marketing. Okay. This is the skill sets. You can apply for opportunity ASAP. Like this is the interested, like you can directly share your resume to this email ID. Flipkart is hiring for application engineer one role. We are passionate, like are you passionate about application engineer with a strong foundation in problem solving DSA? Application engineer 0 to 2 years of experience, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 batch is eligible. Second is a referral opportunity from another professional, so you can check out both the link. Okay, ask for referral, it's a good hiring. Walmart is hiring for software engineer second role. Clearly they mentioned class of 26 final year student is eligible for opportunity. There are two conditions: either you have bachelor's degree in computer science, computer engineering, okay, otherwise you have 3 year of experience in software engineering or related field. So the thing is, like 26 batch is eligible, okay, and there are two options: either experience are also eligible and freshers can also try to apply for opportunity. Clear it is mentioned class of 26 final year student. So apply for opportunity. Hirings are amazing. Thanks for watching the video.